Hello, my name is David Lee. I'm the special assistant of the CEO. Welcome to Seven Castle. Welcome to our factory. Seven Castle has been working on food machinery over 40 years. We offer all kinds of cooking mixer to the worldwide. Cooking mixer is a very simple idea. We combine mixing and cooking into our machine. Professional technique and high quality, so the customer could use less labor and less time in their factory. With our cooking mixer, customer can make products easier and more efficient. If your products need heating and mixing, you can use our cooking mixer, no matter Asian or Western food. Our machine could make lots of liquids, such as Laksa, chili sauce, curry sauce, and pepper sauce. It also can make sweet, like peanut butter, sesame butter, caramel, and nougat. We do have customers who just start their business, so we also provide technique support and recipe to our customers. Every single piece of cooking mixer is made by our factory. That means we can control every production process. Then we have quality assurances to ensure no matter in-come quality control, in-process quality control, and outgoing quality control. In addition, we follow ISO 9001 to provide the quality of products and to achieve the standardization. We also customize service for each customer, and we can help them to organize production process by lean management. Our products are divided into three types, which are fully automatic, semi-automatic, and manual. So choosing a suitable machine is the most important thing to increase productivity, also reduce lab costs. The SC410C is the fully automatic machine, and it can set the program logically. Then the operator uses less time to control the machine and to do other work at the same time. The SC120H and SC120ZH are using on the different products, and both of them use the new technology, which is induction heating. Induction heating is very powerful new heating technology. It can heat so quickly and it's safety. In these 40 years, we never stopped doing R&D. We listen to all the feedback from the users, no matter if they are good or bad. For safety, we follow the C standard to produce our machine. However, lacking labor will be the biggest problem in all the industry. Food industry is never an easy job. We are looking forward to design a more efficient and more user-friendly cooking mixer in the future. We wish the user can do the processing job very quickly and easily with our cooking mixer.